Good morning, friends. I hope, as usual, you are all fine at your home. And I started a topic named Security in the Contemporary World. Contemporary means belonging to the same time. And yesterday, I started with the concepts and I gave you meaning of security, and then I gave you some questions on difference between the traditional and non-traditional security. Now, one of the major topic today is global poverty. ग्लोबल पावर्टी का मतलब पता होता है, आपको पता है, ये गरीबी. ग्लोबल मीन्स पूरे संसार में, पूरे विश्व में. In the present age, global poverty is a great source of insecurity. Minded, if a person is negative in financial aspect, then he is one of the most vulnerable for insecurity. Right? He is insecure because he has no money. Minded, one thing in economics it is said, you cannot eat money, but you cannot eat without money. Right? So, that is one of the most vulnerable part. Currently, the world population is more than 700 crore and will increase to almost 850 crores within 25 years. Half of the world's population exists in India, China, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nigeria. Look, India, China, Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, these are all Asian countries. Which countries? Asian countries. But Nigeria, just one. Basically, it's one of the most, you can say, minus financial aspect is having Nigeria. Poor country, we cannot say underdeveloped country. It's a very poor country. Lot of the people, they are indulged in drug trafficking. So Nigeria. In the underdeveloped and poor countries, population is increasing very rapidly. A very common fact. Poor countries, they have major population, right? But on the other hand, the population of many developed and rich countries are almost stable. जो rich countries हैं, उनमें population बिल्कुल stable है. And many countries, they have zero growth of population. Mind it, what I'm saying, zero growth of population. They don't have any coming population. They are worried about it. Like Norway, Denmark, Netherlands. They have zero growth of population. Many Western countries, I gave you just 3 names. But on the other hand, just say India. What are for the other countries? India, 130 crore. And still, the population is increasing day by day. But on the other hand, the population of many developed and rich countries are almost stable. The reason is that poverty is increasing in poor and fast developing population countries. Poverty, where the poverty is? Where the poor countries are. Where the poverty is? In the poor families. From families, you have to convert it into the countries. Na? So, many poor families, many crore poor families, like African countries. So it is a global poverty scenario. The reason is that poverty is increasing in poor and fast developing population countries, whereas richer countries with stable population are becoming more rich. Poor countries are becoming more poorer, and rich countries are becoming more rich. Western countries. The financial disparity is increasing between the northern and southern countries of the world. Global poverty is affecting the security of the poor countries. Global poverty is affecting the security of the poor countries. Many armed this is very important, which I am going to tell you. Many armed Just wait for a few seconds. Global poverty is affecting the security of the poor countries. Many armed conflicts have occurred in sub-Saharan Africa. Sub-Saharan Africa. Sahara is a great desert. उसके आसपास जितनी भी countries हैं ना, they have armed conflict. Just like Libya, right? And other countries are there. Iraq. Middle East countries, many Middle East countries, they have Iran-Iraq war. They used to fight with each other. Many armed conflicts have occurred in sub-Saharan Africa, which is the poorest region of the world. More people were killed in this region in armed conflicts than in the rest of the world. Armed conflict में बहुत सारे लोग मारे गए. Right, and still many, in Libya, the government is still unstable. Government is still unstable. So they used to fight with each other. We can say civil war. So this is the reason poor countries are fighting with each other. Tomorrow I will let you know. I will give you the topic on terrorism. Terrorism. I gave you today global poverty. Tomorrow there will be terrorism. You go inside the other books and other details on the global poverty. It will enhance your knowledge on this topic. Thank you. Take care. Till in the next video.